Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris Olson, PnwRcMadness. We're back here at the park and we got the Maxx today. We actually came out here to try to find a battery that we lost on the last bash with the X-Maxx. But we found it, so that's a plus. Thumbs up. So hey guys, let's get into it. Let's get out there and see what you can do. Here we go. Today guys, we're running 4S. A couple upgrades to the truck. We got the Pro Line Badlands. As we got the GPM front and rear hubs. And this truck has the white kit, as you can see, in white, and everything else is pretty much just stock. So let's hook up the battery and let's get out there. So there's a clicking going on. Seems like it needs to be trimmed up a little bit too. Wow, remember when you were a kid and you used to put cards in your spokes? It's kind of what that sounds like. Alright, so once again, this is just 4S. We got stock axles. The truck is it's not stock, but let's do it. We got to trim the remote back. Steering servo needs to be. It's kind of a cool place to come. Just lots of sticks. Try to keep it dry.
Whoa, there's some wetness. Oh, stop by the log.
I love it. Gotta try to kind of get used to where all. Whoa. Lots of these stick issues are going on right now. That's kind of funny. Pulling out lots of sticks. All right, there we go. You know, the X-Maxx does a lot better out here because it's so much bigger. This thing just keeps getting sticks, stuff stuck in it. What is going on? There we go. The X-Maxx definitely has got way more power than the Maxx. But it's fun. Wow, that's a lot of sticks so far. Man, what is going on with this thing? So, obviously, you don't want to bash into sticks. There we go. Now she's already getting my white out. Let's break loose. Oh, there's that clean out pipe.
Oh, that's a hard breaker right there.
Let's get over here. This is where we were at the other day in the big spot, big drops. I'm not sure we're gonna go out in the grass. Maybe we'll stay out of the grass. It's pretty wet.
I don't like to get my electronics wet, but look at that. You can just send it. Send it.
All right, here we go, sending it. Truck is awesome. Handle's awesome. Jump's awesome. Let's go down here. See what we can find. Waterproof. Crash proof. Oh, look at, there's a jump right there. Oh yeah, here we go, guys. I wonder if that's enough to pull a backflip. Or a front flip. All right, let's move on. Oh, more sticks. Oh, did you see that? That was awesome. That was a tree jump. Let's go see what we got down here. This looks like a pretty gnarly jump. Wow, look at that, tree's been hammered on by woodpeckers. So the Maxx is holding up. I see we got another twig in the spoke. Oh, look at that. Let's see if we can't get this jump right here. Wow, that's pretty gnarly. You might have to stand back here to get it and do a little Oh! Oh! It didn't break. Alright, well, that wasn't very good. Darn tree, look at, we took some bark off. What do we got? Oh, there it is, there's the jump right there. There it is. Well, that wasn't what I was expecting to do, but that's a good jump. Okay, here we go, guys. That's a back flipper. Okay, maybe not a backflip jump. That's pretty awesome. Oh no, it crashed the body. She's getting good and dirty today. Something sounds broke. Dead. Well, guys, that's going to end the video today. I think we broke the Max. I'm not sure. The battery seems to be dead. So if you do like this video, please leave me a like, a comment, hit the subscribe button below. Oh yeah, it smells hot. Grass is thick. Have a great Sunday, Friday, Saturday, whatever day it is in your town, country. And I will catch you guys later.